Start.
All right. So yesterday, after the meeting, I fixed the sending and receiving issue. So I discovered that the problem was the SSL, because our certbot was limiting us to only renew SSL 5 times in 7 days. So initially, I had tried to use the test, like the staging part of the SSL, not like the real SSL. So that was working, but the problem is it was expiring like within a short period of time. That's
Can you
why.
show us all those stuff? Maybe the limitation time on SSL, all those. On SSL, you say there is a limitation when generating certificate.
Yes, there's a limitation of 7 days. I can't trace that chart now. Limitation of 5 times for per week.
That is not on their website.
I just saw that in ChatGPT, but it was also giving us those errors when we were trying to renew the SSL.
You can just ask number of the limitation of the number of times. You can ask that to Google ChatGPT a link for a documentation so that we have view about it.
All right, let me ask ChatGPT. Pens. About a week.
You say what? The return slip certificates?
70 per week. This could be sufficient to regular. 50.
50 times per week.
Yes.
Have you generate more than 50?
Not really. I didn't even generate more than 50, much less.
Ask to ChatGPT, ask that to Google, type that in Google. Because copy what you ask ChatGPT and type that in Google. ChatGPT sometimes will not give you source. Gemini is saying that 5 times per week.
Yes.
Check on this one too.
There's a community. I saw something like 5 times. Yeah.
See, sometimes
Yeah.
when you don't ChatGPT, we say bullshit. And what you need to do is to ask to Google, because the good news you get that when you ask, you have source.
Yeah.
So this is community guide. Can you scroll down? They have not put this, scroll down. They have not put this. There is no link to the official website of Let's Encrypt.
Maybe it's back. Maybe if
Yes,
I go
go
back.
back again.
This is still community.
Yes, go down. You have it there. Let's Encrypt SSL limitation. Go up a bit. That is not a.
This is Stack Overflow.
No, up. Yes,
Oh,
there. Try to check if they can show us source.
okay. This one.
No, that is scroll down. I think that you have the source there.
Yeah.
What to pick there? Yes, maybe you can have source there. This is not the website for the transcript. Okay, you can go back. I am looking something now. We point on the click on the second link.
This is still Cloudways.
Okay. I am looking something, or you can go directly on the Let's Encrypt's website.
Okay, maybe we should check with Wiki. Let's encrypt. Documentation, maybe.
Yes, try to scroll up.
Starts. And
Scroll up.
here?
Click on Get Help, or maybe they don't have FQA.
Get help takes us to the community.
Okay, try to go back. Try to come back. Don't have. Maybe check on documentation. Let's see. Make Ctrl F to find limitation.
Rate limits. Does it be this one?
Yes, check the other one. Find again limitation, or maybe
It's here. Certificate issuance limits.
yes, but do you have the number there? Make Control find, Control F. You tap maybe week, something like that.
Weeks. I only see weeks. I see 5.
It's
also
the 50
yeah.
certificates.
It means that all the rest are wrong. Or maybe this is for pay version.
Maybe.
Because they are saying here up to 50 certificates can be issued per registered domain for IPv2 or IPv6 every 7 days.
Yeah,
Is,
it's here. It's here. Yeah.
and what is the different limitation?
I don't know. Up to 5 certificates.
But up to 5 certification can be issued per exact same set of identifier every 7 days. Okay. Can you scroll up for the other limitation? A registered domain. Okay. Okay. 50 is for a domain.
Okay.
And the other one I think is for this a subdomain.
Yeah, I think so.
Because wait. Check again there. Let's read all those. No, the limit. Read all the last sentence.
This one.
Yes. You see the last one? The ability to request.
Yeah, new certificates for the same. exact or a set of identifiers refills at a rate of 1 certificate every 34 hours.
I think that is another big limit to have in mind.
Yeah. So what I'll be doing henceforth when I'm doing the configuration, I make sure I don't clear the certificates that are there. So even in my Ansible, I'll make sure that
Yes,
the
because so for a domain like technologyhub.org, that is the TDL and the domain name and the domain.
yes.
The global certificate is 50, but when you add the subdomain like mail.technologyhub, that is 7.
Yeah,
But
that's it. 7 days. That's 5 per week.
oh yes, that is 5 per week. Yes, and we have one certificate per 34 hours.
Yes.
Okay, and the one. Okay, you can go on the first limitation. No. Yes, that one. Read the last sentence. The last sentence.
The ability to issue new certificates for the same registered domain refills at the rate of 1 certificate every 202 minutes.
Okay, so 3 hours is 180 minutes. So we can say 3 hour point 5.
Yes.
Around 3 hour point 5. Okay, you can copy this link and then you put that in the chat group with the title, because this kind of hidden information is very important.
Okay.
So even ChatGPT did not give the correct answer. Even Google did not give the correct answer.
So I can call it
Let's Encrypt SSL set
okay.
SSL limit.
SSL, maybe renewal limit, anything like that.
Yes, or generation limit. Or yes, or renewal limit.
So just add the link.
Yes.
See if I've copied the correct link. Okay. Okay.
Okay, and can you show us how you have updated the set? So
Okay. You want to see the certificates?
yes, you have generated a new one.
I have generated the new one, and
There is a way to bypass this kind of limit and use another provider, because this hidden limit can slow down work even for 1 week, because you are making troubleshooting.
yeah. But I think the only way to avoid that maybe is just to, after you've configured your SSL certificates, you don't reconfigure them every other time.
Yes, only now, only to have the information. Gemini have different information. ChatGPT have the different one. When you go on community, you have different one. Until we came on their website. Can you go again on the answer that ChatGPT give us? Because I'm surprised that a lot of, you see, ChatGPT say what? He just mentioned that 50 times.
50 times per per week per registered domain.
It did not mention the
5, yeah.
yes, the 5. And Jiminy mentioned just the 5.
Yes, Gemini just mentioned the 5.
And even in the community, you just mentioned the 5.
Though I didn't, let me see. I think I didn't read the whole of Gemini's.
That's Gemini there.
Okay, so
The overview.
yeah, it's only 5.
I think Gemini also show us link.
Yeah.
And yes, I think yes, click there.
Right limits. Yes, same link.
Yes.
50.
Okay. Okay. Show us. But this is very annoying. It means that this make us lose around 5 days or something like 1 week.
Yeah. Because I was making it work the previous day in the morning. When I check, everything is broken. So there's several sections we've used the certificates. One is we've used it in Nginx in the web server. Then we've also used it in Postfix. So maybe I can just set it to Nginx.
Okay.
It is Nginx sites file. So this is the one that is Nginx. This is where I've done the configuration for the domain webmail.
Okay.
That is the Roundcube UI. So if I open this, okay, let me just explain like that. So this is where I've stored the certificates are stored. When you generate, they are automatically stored here. They are created in this directory.
Okay.
So that is for the webmail. And then for the postfix authentication, I think it is in the main.cf.
What you have do was to generate a new certificate.
Yes,
right?
I did generate that yesterday, but now
By
the problem
using by using command line or
yes, using command line.
Okay.
So the problem was when I generated the new certificates, ChatGPT now gave me wrong configurations for the mail directory that was conflicting what was in the dev code. So it wasn't working. So I did a lot of debugging in the evening. Then I discovered the mail directory for postfix is something else. But I fixed that, then it started working.
Okay.
Postfix main.cf. So this is the one for the mail.technology. So they're stored here and refer to them. Yeah.
Okay. Good.
So everything now is working. So the issues that I had, even after doing the mail certificate, is where the emails are supposed to be stored, which is here, virtual mailbox space. So this was not tallying with what we had in DAVCOT. So after I fixed that, the emails started being sent, then received. So I did that and sent some emails. So there's
And
one.
what about the auto renewal? The auto renewal.
Auto renewal, I haven't done it here, but I can do that within the automation, because I now want to do the automation based on what I have in the system.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now you can be able to send and receive. Can you be able to mark as spam all those stuff?
I should be able to mark them as spam, but I haven't tested yet, because today in the morning, one thing that was not working was the DKIM, because now our setup is slightly different from all the previous setups that we had, because previously we were just using the real Linux users. We were not like depending on the database for anything, but now I had to adjust the DKIM a little bit, so it worked.
Okay, good.
I even just made one test for in the mail tester, and it's called this.
Oh, 10 out of 10.
Yes. I don't know what magic the Roundcube did to make it go to 10. So I can compose an email here, maybe to my
Yes,
Proton mail.
try to compose. Can you send on Gmail? And
okay, let me start with Proton, then I'll go to Gmail, or maybe let me start with the Gmail. So my Gmail account is in here. Let me call this mail test maybe 20. It's test 20. I'll do that. Says it's sent. So if I open this,
maybe that in spam.
it's here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I think the DKIM is also now working. So
Okay, you are good.
yeah. I know the Gmail is the strict one.
Yes.
Goes to Gmail, then those others will definitely receive. So I can also test maybe sending from, let's say, sending from outside now to around.
You can just try to reply the Gmail one.
Okay.
Reply. Down. Oh, yes.
Okay, let me say this is a reply for test 20. I have also sent a lot from Gmail. I don't know if it's going to receive. It doesn't. I just try to send also from.
But no, normally the reply should work. There's no reason the reply should not work. Or only if you have not finished everything.
Okay, I've been sending from Gmail.
If you are sending from Gmail to here, there will be no problem. The problem is when you are sending from here to Gmail.
Okay.
Because when you send from here to Gmail, Gmail can put your email in quarantine.
Yeah.
But if it is the outgoing you are sending from Gmail for other place, that should really work. If it does not work, it means that the receiving part, Oh, okay, try with Proton Mail and let's see. Try to send an email to Proton and then reply to Proton from Proton.
Okay. So the Proton is this one. It's test 21. So arrived here. Let me reply then. maybe so reply. Okay. So Proton sent. So it's here.
Okay. Proton is working, but why Gmail is not working?
Even Gmail was working. This is my Gmail account. This is the one I sent like. Okay, see here. Details. Maybe I should try Yahoo. I think I have Yahoo. I haven't tried that though. Let me check my account. I even remember. Oh. This one. Test. Okay, it came to spam.
Oh, this one and this one.
Reply from Yahoo. Did it go? Or not yet?
Yes, you can click on it.
Okay. Yeah, I think it came.
Yeah.
Yes.
So Gmail is not there. Gmail also have the quarantine for outgoing email.
I don't know. I think Gmail. Maybe I hit a limit of how many emails can you send from your Gmail account per day?
500.
Oh, 500. So then it's not a limit thing. I don't know if it's quarantine or what, but just a few. We just tested a few.
Okay, maybe we will test it later.
Okay. I'll just make it. Is there a way to mark it and unspam?
I think we need to go up. Up. Restore to inbox.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yes. Restore to inbox.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
So I haven't really tested those other things like mark it as spam, as red. Okay. Move to junk. I think this one we tested yesterday though, but there is no script now to do the FBL. That's the next part I should.
Yes, that is what I was. So now,
so it's marking as junk though. It's okay. It's able to move within the folders. Like if you want to mark it as junk.
yes. Now what your FBL script is doing is to be able to read all junk file for all email account,
Yes, yes.
and based on that, can send the FBL,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
the RFI.
RFI, yeah.
I don't know if there is possibility to mark to create a complaint.
I don't know. Okay, there's actually an email I received today from Google. That is before I fixed the FBL.
Yes, report the material submitted. Report IT.
Yeah.
Can you click there on that file? Yes, let's see what they have. This is RFI. Yes, can you open it? It is good.
Yahoo. There were actually two. I even received another one from Yahoo. I think because the other time I had registered this domain.
Yes, you registered to the postmaster.
Yeah, this account. So it's just.
This is, yes. I think this is not really about spam, but this is about the normal report.
Yeah. DMARC actually.
Yes.
Virus detected. So how do I even solve this? Assume doesn't. Doesn't make sense. Still saying the virus. Doesn't make sense.
No, that will not. Anyway, let's focus, click the Gmail now and continue with the FBL. Can you go on Slack chat and let's see the step about the FBL? You remember we put all this step here.
Yes.
Yes, this step.
We have oh yeah, all of them here.
So you are now on. You are still on Roundcube.
Yes, still Roundcube.
Yes, you are still on the gold tool.
Okay, junk. Let's move the FBL to the junk folder. The FBL script detects the generator report. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. And after that, we also have the automation part.
Yes, there's also the automation part.
Okay. I think that is the huge job that you have done. That is a very good job that you have done. So what is your next step now?
I think the next step is do the script first before I do any automation.
Which script?
The tests. The script would detect now the
spam.
Yeah, the spam and generate all that. I think I should be able to first achieve all this without doing the automation.
Yes.
Achieve all the goal without doing the automation. Then later.
Ansible, you mean Ansible automation?
Yes, I mean the Ansible.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And
right.
you also have the Gmail part that you can test to be sure that Maybe, or maybe it's a limitation, something like that. We discuss maybe that with ChatGPT and see.
Yes, I'll do that.
Maybe there is a limitation, or you may also have a quarantine on outgoing email.
Yeah.
Okay. Do we have another thing to add?
Not for now. Not for now.
Okay, perfect. Let's continue with next person.
Okay, I will go next. Share my screen. So yesterday, after the meet, I worked on the training and the upsell. So that's all what I did yesterday. And this morning, so I started adjusting the automation on the configuration of the server with the server, my server. So I adjusted the setup on the.
One question: what is that? What's that password?
This password. This is.
Yes.
Oh no. Sorry.
I explained that yesterday that when you are sharing screen, make sure to take care of passwords. That is why you have Ansible. In Ansible you have a vault file where you store all your credentials there. Now you are giving me you are giving me the work now again because I need to go and change again the password.
I am sorry, sir.
On Ansible, you have a vault. You store all your password on a single file, and then you encrypt it. When you are working with Ansible, use Ansible Vault. So next time when you are showing me the password, I want to see a file that is encrypted. You encrypt it by using Ansible Vault command. And when you want to run it, the Ansible will ask you the password for your vault. You will have now your own private password for Ansible. Even me, I will not know your private password. So you can encrypt any file that you want with Ansible Vault. And when you will run Ansible command, you will first encrypt it, all the files that you will first unencrypt it. Because with Ansible, you can use Ansible Vault to encrypt any command, any file, and you start on working now. And when you want to execute your playbook, you will first unencrypt the file. Yes, continue.
So as I said, I adjusted the Ansible the automation I did last week with the server, my server, and I started running it. So I had an error on the certificate. So when I did search about it, it's like the port 80 is used by Nginx. So I tried to troubleshoot it, and I'm still having the error. So I'll continue on that for now.
What you are doing now on the new server, you are configuring what? The SMTP or the Roundcube?
The SMTP. It's the SMTP yet.
Yes, but I think that you did this the last time. What you are supposed to do now is only to run all the Ansible playbook, and then we go and update the new server, and also change your new credential from Cloudflare. and I mean generate the new API, the new API key, because I have updated your account from Cloudflare, and you need to generate a new API key, and use that new API key in your Ansible automation. Did you
Yes.
generate a new API key from
Yes.
Cloudflare?
Yes, I generated a new API key. Actually, I could automate the change of the record in Cloudflare.
Okay.
But the error here is the certificate. So I am debugging it. All of the other steps on the automation are working well. The postfix automation, the records, also the postfix configuration, the DNS, the authenticating, the firewall. But here, so the third parties might show. So this is what I'm trying to debug.
Okay, can you click on setbot? The setbot roles, the YAML role. Are you getting me?
Sorry, I didn't hear your question.
I say, can you click on the role, on the setbot role?
Yes.
Yes, let's check
So
the
this
YAML.
is
Hope you have not put the password inside that file.
normally it hasn't any password here.
And why
So this
your
is
certificate is not working?
Okay.
here.
You've said that it's complaining about Nginx. Do you have Nginx in your server?
Oh, check here. You still have. Okay. Yes.
Do you have
Yes,
Nginx?
I did. Like, I
Can you connect to your server and verify if Nginx is there up and running very
I
well?
think for this particular configuration, she doesn't need Nginx, because if you
Yes. This is only sent to terminal. You only need the Nginx when you are start with the Roundcube.
yeah, and it is conflicting. If it's saying that the port is being used by Nginx, then you need to disable Nginx or just remove it.
Yes, because
okay.
in this stage we don't even need the port 18 because we are not using it. Can we check on our server here if Nginx is there up? And even if you have installed the Nginx, you can just leave it there, but you don't need to use it. You can leave it on the server, right, Godik?
Yes.
That will not create any issue. But in this stage that you are testing the SMTP with Postfix, you don't need Nginx because you are sending from local command line to remote command line. You are sending email from local command line to remote command line.
This is what I did. Yeah, it says it isn't found.
Which means Nginx.
But sorry.
Which means Nginx is not there.
Yes. Okay, go again in your error log, the error log that you have from Visual Studio. Yes. Where is yeah, it is pointing about in the Nginx where? in this log.
This was I just copied it on chat and it said that.
Yes, but normally
And then it said open your like domain in here, and it's this is the domain, and it says that, and the chat said that the Nginx is there. Then
check where your domain is pointing. Like, can we check let's check the DNS records again in Cloudflare.
Okay.
I think you're still using the IP. Yeah, you're still using the other IP. My IP now, which is having Nginx.
Yeah, I didn't enroll. I didn't change that. Where's the DNS? The IP.
this is your new IP.
Yes, this is the new IP.
Try to search
Okay,
the other IP.
this one.
Yeah.
This is a new IP, and this is the other one.
Okay. You can also use variables for those IPs so that it's easier for you to just change in area.
Yes, I think that's better.
Can we try to run it now? The IP.
I should run the cleaning up first.
Yes, run. I don't know how you have organized them. The IPv6. Are you sure that is the new value?
The new value of the IPv6 is this one. So this is what I'll change it as well. I think that's all.
Can you verify well and try to run?
I will make a search to be sure.
Yeah, make the search.
That there is no anymore. And this is the other one. Yes, I think it's okay now. So I will clean the server. So this is a playbook for cleaning.
Okay. Can you click on masquer down there? Yes. So we see how everything's going. I hope it will not take a lot of time.
It takes a bit of time, maybe. Emmanuel can go first, and we will see this after he passed.
Okay. So if this will not work, your next step will be make sure that all your SMTP configuration is working on new server.
Yes, sir.
Right. And once you finish it, you start with the Ansible part, with the Roundcube part. Right?
Yes, sir. Yeah. That's my step.
Okay. Do you have another thing to share with us?
No, that's all for the moment.
Emmanuel?
Yeah. So I've also started, I'm sharing my screen. I've started setting it up. So I've run my Ansible, but I've realized that the Cloudflare is giving 3 errors. So I will resolve it.
That is warning. It's not error.
That is, yes. So I have to look into it, why it is giving me
What?
error.
Oh, because no, normally if you have when you have this one, it is about double quote. When
No.
you don't put double quote, but try to put your mouse there
Okay.
on the warning. We want yes. What is saying?
Okay.
It's about
Yeah.
the
Okay, so we add a quotation marks on your behalf, which will not affect how the record works.
yes.
Okay.
Normally those are warning. Warning does not mean that it's error.
No, okay. Yes. So I thought it was an error, so I have to look into it. Why the automation is giving me an error? So they say the DNS changes may take some time to propagate global. So it will take some 15 to 30 minutes before I can run a test from my terminal to Gmail or any other.
Yes, but what did you do yesterday after the call?
Yes, so I have to make sure that I configure the MTA to meet the new server that you sent me, the domain name and the IP. So I have to go through the previous one, change everything, meet it, then create create an account that is this name as an account on the new server that you gave me. So I've run it and it's like everything is okay, but I have to be able to send a mail to Gmail or any other provider. I've been
Now you
looking
test
at
from terminal to terminal from your local, send email from your local terminal to your new server.
yes, the issue is I am not able to reach the new server.
You are not able to reach it how?
I'm not able to reach it from
I told you to
port 25. If I turn it this 25, my local.
yes, but you have another port. 487. Did you test with other port?
Okay, let me try 465. Okay, the port 465 is working.
Wait, did you open the port 25? Did you try
Yes,
to open
I've
it?
opened it. It's on my firewall. Check firewall.
Open it manually. Try to open it manually.
Okay. So it's here. I've opened all the
Yes, but
ports
go
that.
and open the port 25 manually.
Okay. Okay. So I'll do it on the command line. I've already opened it.
Yes, but verify to open, verify that everything is.
Yes, so it's open. So let me try to do
But
Encrypt.
if you are not able to reach it, it means that the problem is on your side.
Let me try to do it from my side and see if I can telnet to your server.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me share the IP.
Right. Yes, it's connecting from my machine.
Yeah, okay.
If it is working on your machine, it means that it is. Can you check if the port 25 is open on your local computer, Emmanuel?
Yes, I've opened it.
This is your local computer, or this
It's
is
my local machine. My local machine.
from your home?
Yes.
You are using which network? So it is open here, but you are not able to do the telnet.
Yes.
And
From my
telnet is open on site for Godik, but it's not working on your side.
Yeah, it's working here. Maybe Karin, I've sent you Karin the
Also send me a video. It means
Okay.
that there is a problem on the local network for Emmanuel.
maybe. Yes.
Maybe it's the network.
It's working on your side.
On my side too, the port 25 is not working on my side, but the others are working.
Okay. It could be the network then.
Because on my side, when I'm trying to make telnet with the IP address for Godik, and it's not working. I try to make something. Okay. Godik, can you send your IP address to Emmanuel so that he try to make a telnet?
Okay.
Because even on my side, the telnet is not working.
I have shared my IP, Emmanuel. You can try.
But Emmanuel, anyway, if it is not working, what you can do is to use other port or maybe try with other
Yes.
port.
Yes. So that's the strategy I'm adapting.
Yes, try to do it.
So I'll
Because
use other
at the
ports.
beginning, we have spent a lot of time on this port,
Yes.
and
Yes.
sometimes we need to call the ISP.
Sometimes it goes through, sometimes it doesn't.
Okay.
So I will check whether I'll check whether I've opened port 000.000 to be receiving incoming IP. So I'll be checking that one.
So
Incoming IP.
what you have done was to migrate everything from the old server to a new server.
Yes.
Now port 25 is not working, but it was working in the past.
Yeah.
Okay, so now you need to find a solution,
We
a
are
workaround,
yeah.
or maybe use another
Yeah.
port.
Okay.
That
So
depends
let
on
me.
all the rest of the port are working.
Yes. All the
8706.
yes. This one is working. All the ports are working. They are
Yes.
all working.
The only problem with this port is that we will need a relay.
Yes.
We need a
Yes.
relay.
So let me use today to get it run it again as the last time I did. And I think because the main thing is port 25, so that it becomes simple, not complicated stuff. So I'll work on it and get a solution.
Okay, perfect. Okay. Do you have another thing to share?
No, really. Okay, so you made mention of this warning as it's not an error. So I have to do it in such a way that it will not appear again.
Okay.
Yes. So because that was what I was thinking about. So I'll work on it. I'll work on it. It's here.
Okay,
Cloudflare.
good.
I'll work on it.
So your next step will be to try to fix the port 25 issue.
Yes, then be able to send mails from local through the OVH to my Gmail to Yahoo and other stuff. Then if it is okay, then
Yes, send the email from your local
Gmail
terminal and
to
Yahoo.
terminal.
Yes, also send from local terminal to Gmail and Yahoo, those stuff.
yeah. So when that one is done, that's when before I can start working on the Roundcube.
Okay. But sending email from local terminal to Yahoo Gmail, that is not really important for us.
Yes. So I'll use the
From local terminal to remote terminal.
yes.
That's very important.
Okay. Okay. So I'll do
Okay,
that.
perfect. Do you have any question? Anything to share? Karim, Gozik,
No, not really, but if I have, I will send a message across, then we can do a brainstorming on it.
Okay, perfect. Karim, Gozik, anything to share?
From my side, I have nothing to share for now.
Okay. And you, Karim?
No, from my side, so I ran the automation and I had another error. So I will troubleshoot.
The IPv6. Try to check it again because when you copy it, it seemed like there was a mistake. Are you getting me? I think you are having a network issue.
I didn't. Had a network issue. I didn't hear well. Sorry, I had a network issue.
Go on VS Code where you change the IPv6. VS Code, yes. You know where check the IPv6. It seems like when you have copied it,
Yes.
it is a good value.
Yes, this is the one I have here. Let me recopy it. But I don't know, maybe it's the connection issue that caused this. So I will rerun it again.
Okay. Anyway, we will let you continue on it. Okay. Any question, everyone? Any questions?
No question.
Okay.
No
Emmanuel?
question also.
No,
Okay.
for now.
Perfect. Okay. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy your weekend. Have a nice day. Goodbye. See you on Monday.
Bye.
Thank you. Enjoy
Bye.
weekend. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.